Hello viewers, in this video I am going to prove 1 equals 2 using a simple equation. So let's start the proof. Let a equals b. Then multiply both sides by a square equals ab. After that subtract b square from both sides. So we can find a square minus b square equals ab minus b squares. Here we find a formula on the left hand side, that is a square minus b square. So we can write a plus b times a minus b, and on the right hand side there is a common factor and it is b. So we can write b times a minus b. When you have done this, you can divide both sides by a minus b. Then we find a plus b equals b. But here a is equal to b, so you can write b instead of a. So we find b plus b equals b. Here we find 2b equals b, and we can divide both sides by b. So we find 2 equals 1, and that is my proof. Viewers, 2 can never be equal to 1. If it happens, whole math system will be proved wrong. Here might be wrong. Can you guess anything? Okay, pause the video and think. Okay guys, in mathematics you can never divide any number by 0. If you do so, anything can be happen and math system will never be responsible for this. When we are dividing both sides by a minus b, actually we are dividing both sides by 0, because here a equals b, so a minus b equals a minus a, and that is 0. So this statement is wrong. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe and thumbs up if you like this.